Welcome to Jabez Ranch. I'm Bruce Norton. Today I want to cover with you some of the equipment that we're going to need for any clinic that you want to attend at Jabez Ranch. So along that line, we have a halter and a lead rope that is made out of yacht rope. It's approximately 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick for your halter. The lead rope is also yacht rope, and it's a little bit thicker. It can be anywhere from, say, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Lead rope should be a minimum of 10 feet in length with no hardware. This has no hardware. Yours may have hardware on it, and it may also be able to be removed, so you may be able to check that out. A stick and a string. The stick is really an extension to our hand, and what this allows us to do is to cue and aid our horses from a little bit further distance without putting us in harm's way, particularly if a horse wants to try to buck or rear up or strike out. Also is what we call a horseman's string is attached to this, and that is also used for aiding and cueing our horse in certain things. We have a headstall. A headstall, not a bridle. Snaffle bit. Make sure that you have a good O-ring or D-ring snaffle bit that fits your horse appropriately, that you have the appropriate curb strap, chin strap, and looped reins are what I recommend for these clinics. If you have split reins, that's perfectly acceptable as long as you are very adept at using those rings. We're going to be changing hands a lot and trying to teach our horse new things, so sometimes it's just a lot easier with a looped rein. For our saddle and attack, make sure that your saddle is in good condition. It should be cleaned, it should be oiled regularly. Make sure that your latigo is in serviceable condition, it's not cracked. The last thing we want is somebody to put a foot in the stirrup and have something, a stirrup or a strap on your saddle break. We don't want that. And finally, from a safety perspective, helmets. We strongly recommend a helmet for all riders. Now this is the helmet that I wear, and when I'm training or riding, doing clinics, this is an approved helmet. You might have something similar to this one, which is perfectly fine. So whatever you're comfortable with. If you are under the age of 18, a helmet is mandatory, and that will be non-negotiable. So check out our website, subsequent videos. We go into more detail about what you're exactly looking for in checking out your equipment, why we use it. So I hope to see you at a clinic soon here at Jabez Ranch, and thank you for joining us on this video.